Let's check this tower. This tower was made of the bricks. That is a big arch. Today is the Mid-Autumn Festival. It's a special day. Most of the people are celebrating it with their family members and their mostly modern relatives. And let's see this ancient street here. Yeah, it's a copy of an ancient street. I can't name it as an ancient one as the one in Xi'an or Beijing. But it's pretty nice. Good job here. Look at our tower again. And we go to that way. And there's a lot of special boutiques, stores, and they are selling something. There are some restaurants people can eat and drink here, and they can buy some souvenirs and curiosities, possibly. It's pretty nice. Oh, there's some parrots. Let's go and have a check. Some birds. Oh, those birds are lovely. Small. That one is pretty beautiful. Yellow one. Even we've made a nest here. An artificial nest. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and enjoy the rest of this road. And this house is quite interesting. Wow, it's a store. A shop. They're selling something here. It's beautiful. 不是，我在这溜达放在油管上介绍谁着？哦，我在油管能翻墙，让外国人看。Yeah. Just now, one of locals said hello to me. I just stopped for a while and let's continue our journey. And this is beautiful. That guy thought, yeah, I was doing something special. You know, I spoke English loudly here. Yeah, I can do that because this is the public space. My voice was very loud, and he thought, you know, I was doing something special, and he said hello to me. We exchanged the WeChat. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we speak the dialect. It's great. The locals. Yeah, let's continue our journey. Yeah, that is a restaurant. Yeah, just that guy. It's great. So when you speak English in China, even you are not a foreigner, and some people just have the curiosity, you know, because you are very interested in knowing you. Since I'm not speaking Mandarin, neither Mandarin or dialect here, so that is why. That is a cafe. Yeah, very nice. Since this is my hometown, so I have more passion and more desire to do this. Yeah, it's pretty nice. There are more people in the evening, he said. Now it's a little bit hot. There's a little stage here. People can perform here. I think mostly in the evening or at night. There's some special soup or some snacks. There's a big tree. Some special garments from Tang Dynasty. Tang style. Yeah, that is the end of this road. Let's head to the end. I think it is better to make more videos like this. That is why I have to kill this whole street, and you can see the whole situation here. I think that is my duty. It's pretty nice. Beautiful. Yeah, even this street is a copy of the ancient street, but it's nice, and it reminds a lot of people of their hometown, their, the forefathers, the ancient culture of China and civilization. It's nice. I think it is good. You can imagine if 50 years is gone, and this is gonna be an ancient one, right? Yeah, nice. It's worthy. Yeah, that is the end of this road, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your time. And I'm very appreciated to have your support. Let's see more in an opposite way. It's pretty nice. There are some birds. It's beautiful. This is like a pharmacy. They sell some traditional medicine. The traditional Chinese medicine. I can smell the odor of the medicine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye, everyone.